Artificial intelligence, what we know. What is artificial intelligence? What is AI used for now and in the future? How does artificial intelligence work? What do we know about AI now, and what are some predictions for AI in the future? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a broad term that refers to any machine that exhibits signs of intelligent behavior. This may include robotics or natural language processing. One of the most interesting things about AI is that they can learn on their own. No one tells them what to do or how to do it, they just sort of figure it out. They became like people. This is what prompted John McCarthy to think. We will have to face social, economic, legal, and ethical challenges that did not exist before. The aim of this article is to get you to think about the future of artificial intelligence. AI is here to stay, whether it is something we like or not. Let us take a deeper look at what we know about artificial intelligence and what we don't know about AI. AI can make some astonishing predictions that humans would never be able to predict on their own. One example of this is the triumph for AlphaZero, which can beat some of Earth's most brilliant players in chess and go with zero prior knowledge about those games. This isn't the first time that machines have been able to beat humans in games that are considered tough for computers. Back in 2010, IBM's computer Watson won against two former champions on Jeopardy! There are many things that can go wrong with AI. For example, a recent study showed how many people changed their minds when they found out that AI had written something they wanted to write. For a long time, computers and robots began to replace many workers. AI can think and learn, but what can this lead to? How AI works. For all the talk about artificial intelligence, very few people have a clear understanding of how AI works. Artificial intelligence is made up of a few different components. These are machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. These three make up the key parts of AI that we know about. Machine learning is the process by which computers teach themselves to do things like recognize patterns in images or voice recordings, or translate between languages. Natural language processing is the process by which machines are able to interpret natural language input from humans and provide a response in an output language. Deep learning is a type of machine learning where computer systems simulate human thought processes to learn how to do things like identify objects in an image or speech recognition. What do you think about artificial intelligence?
Subscribe to our channel and watch as we take over the world.